Now let's do few list related coding question which is generally asked in interview also. My first question is like write a Python program to find the largest element in a list. So you can see this is the list is given 3, 4, 44, 5, 66 and 7. What you have to do, you have to find out what is the maximum element from this list. So maximum element is 66, right? So our output should be 66. So with the two way you have to solve. One is the using a inbuilt method. Inbuilt method you have to find, and the second is the with the help of without inbuilt method you have to solve. So this two way we have to solve. How actually you can solve this? Let's do one by one. So if you will use the inbuilt method, so what actually you have to do, we have a max function which is available. So if I'll directly write max and L, let's see what we'll get. You can see we are getting the 66. So we have a inbuilt max method. With the help of that, directly you will get the what is the maximum element from the particular list. Now without a inbuilt method, how actually you can write? So this is the list which is given. What I will write, I'll declare one variable, large something, largest I will give, and I will give the largest is the 0. I am just considering this largest one variable 0. Now what I am doing, I am just iterating the loop for I in L. If and if I'll do print I, just to show you what actually I am printing. So I am printing each element one by one. Now in this element one by one, if I'll check, if I is greater than this value, if I is greater than this value, then largest will become the that particular element. So what actually I am doing, first I am iterating one by one. So the first value is 3, right? So first it will come whether 3 is greater than largest or not. The largest value is 0 and I value is 3. So yeah, 3 is greater than 0, right? Then the largest element will become a 3. So in the first run, what actually happened? Largest will become a 3. Now second element. Now second element it will check, that is a 4, whether 4 is greater than 3 or not. Yeah, 4 is greater than 3. Then with the help of this, what will happen? Largest will become a 4. So like that the whole code will be executed. Now what I will do, let's print largest. Now if I'll execute this, you can see I'm getting the output 66. So without inbuilt method, how actually you can find out the largest, and like this actually we can find out. Now second question is similar to that only. I have a given list. I have to find out what is the uh, minimum lowest number in the given list. So with inbuilt method, if you write min and L, you will get the output 4 is the minimum, right? But without inbuilt method, how actually you can write? So what actually I will write? This is the given list, right? I will give the lowest. I will declare one variable lowest, and I will say lowest is a 0. What I will do, lowest, and the first element I will consider this as the lowest. So what I will write, L0. What will be the L0 value? L0 value is the first value, right? So I am considering the first value is the lowest value. Now what I will write, I will apply the same logic for I in L. If I is less than lowest, if I is less than lowest, in this case what will happen? Lowest will become the I. Now let's print the lowest. If I'll execute, you can see I'm getting the output. So what actually I'm doing, I'm considering the first value as a lowest, and I'm checking one by one. If any value is becoming lower than this lowest value, then I am converting that as a my lowest value, and finally I'm printing. So like that actually we can find out the lowest number in a given list. I hope you got the idea. In next video we will continue this and we will solve few more questions.